Hey everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. As promised, I am making tacos for tonight. Very quick and simple. I cut off just a little bit of onion off my onion that I had. I normally would put onions on top of my taco, but since I am not eating tonight, I am just definitely going to brown these onions just a tad bit. And then I'm going to put the ground beef inside of this and let it do what it normally does, which is brown. So we are using lean ground beef tonight. 93 lean, 7% fat. Of course, you can use any type of meat that you desire to have in your tacos. Tonight we're making ground beef. And forgive me, I'm holding the camera while I'm doing this. So, I'm gonna go ahead and brown these onions, and then I'll put the ground beef in it, and then I'll come right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am browning the ground beef. You don't want to cook it fast because you don't want your ground beef to be hard. So I have it on a low fire. I've mixed in the onions. Of course, it's not that much, as I stated earlier. And I'm just going to let this brown until it's done. Probably another 10 minutes or so, give or take. It won't take that long to brown it. Then I'm going to drain off the juices from this frying pan. I'm going to add in, you can use Ortega tonight, taco seasoning. Or if you like, you can make your own taco seasoning. I actually do have a jar of my own personal taco seasoning. It's your choice. Like I said, I've been busy all day, so this is a quick meal for tonight. So we're just going to let this brown until it's all the way done, and then I'll come back after when I'm ready to put the taco mix in there. Okay, now the juices have been drained off of the ground beef. Okay, now I'm going to add just a tad bit of Italian seasoning. You don't have to. This is just what I'm going to do tonight, you guys. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Minced onions. A tad bit more. And some pepper. If I can get it open. Give me 1 second. Let me try to get it open. Okay, and some pepper. This is optional. You don't have to. Just like my meat really seasoned before I add that Ortega taco seasoning in here. Of course, you could top your tacos with anything you like. It's gonna be basic tonight. We're not doing any lettuce. We're not doing any tomatoes. We're not doing any of that. It's very basic. Let's get this taco mix in there. An entire pack. It says for 1 pound of ground beef. This may be a little bit more, but we'll see. I may have to add some more of my taco seasoning in here. Just going to give this a good stir. Blend it in very well. The meat is continuing to brown. I'm making a mess. Sorry, you guys. I'll get that up in a second. Okay, so let me give this a quick stir, make sure everything is blended, and I'll come right back. Okay, I did sample the ground beef. Tastes good. I'm gonna add in, as the instruction says, 3/4 of water. They're like 1 cup. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this out, you guys. Oops, sorry. Close enough. And we're gonna bring this to a boil. Turn the fire up high. And let this come to a boil. And then we are definitely ready to serve up these tacos. Like I said, you're gonna add tomatoes, lettuce, whatever sauce you like. Even if you want to use El Paso rather than Ortega, that's up to you. Or use your own seasonings. Season it to your tasting. You know how you like your tacos. And bring this to a boil. Keep an eye on it. And it should be done shortly, you guys. So give me a minute. Now, once it thickens, you pretty much are good to go. You're good to go as soon as it thickens. You can see it's no more water in there. So I may add some, no, I'm not going to add any beans. I may add some refried beans to this just for him because he does like that. But this is basically all you have to do to make some quick tacos for any night of the week. Ground beef, get your taco seasoning, a little bit of water, you're good to go. You can top it as you wish with cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, beans, stir-fried beans, red, what is it? It's not stir-fried beans. You know them beans that look like a paste? Refried beans, that's what his name, that's what it's called, refried beans. Any type of sauce that you want, taco sauce, it's up to you. This is your taco. Make it the way you like your tacos and top it with anything that you like. So that's a wrap for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and show you the finished results. Okay, I have 2 soft tacos. I've spreaded some cheese on, I'm using Parmesan cheese, you guys. You can use any type of cheese that you want. Since I have that pack open, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. I actually heated up the refried beans in the microwave. So I'm gonna heat this up for a few moments, top it with the taco sauce, top it with the refried beans, and then I'll add some mild sauce on top, and then we'll be back to show you the final result. Okay, this is the finished product. We have our tacos. We have the refried beans, spreaded it some more with the Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna have some Doritos with this tonight. So this is the meal for tonight. I thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button below and also the bell next to it so you will be notified when I upload my next video. I do thank you again for watching, tuning in, watching this short video. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I will be back tomorrow to start the soup for the JJ Smith detox. So stay tuned for that. It's kind of late tonight, and I don't feel like cooking anymore. So it's 9:30, and I'm going to call it a night. So I will see you guys tomorrow for JJ Smith day number 10, and then another video showing you how to do the fat flush soup in the crock pot. So until then, God bless and have a good night.